Hotelová akadémia Ľudovíta Wintra v Piešťanoch má vo svojom študijnom programe zahrnutú odbornú prax v hoteloch piešťanských kúpeľov. Študenti 2., 3. a 4. ročníka tak majú možnosť zlepšovať svoje zručnosti v hotelovo-gastronomických službách. V rámci súťaže Stredoškolská odborná činnosť na tému Zdieľaná ekonomika uskutočňujeme projekt s názvom Hoteláci na bicykloch. Cieľom projektu je študentom umožniť dopravu na prax pomocou bicyklov, ktoré nielen podporia pohyb mladých ľudí a zároveň ušetria finančné prostriedky na dopravu, ale aj
Where is the moment we need it the most? You kick up the leaves and the magic is lost. Tell me your blue skies fade to gray, and tell me your passion's gone away, and I don't need no carrying on. You stand in the line just to hit a new low. You're faking a smile with the coffee to go. And tell me your life's been way offline. You fall into pieces every time, and I don't need no carrying on. 'Cause you had a bad day, you take it one down, you sing a sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know, you tell me don't lie, you work on a smile and you go for a ride. You had a bad day, the camera don't lie, you're coming back down and you really don't mind. You had a bad day, you had a bad day. Well, you need a blue sky holiday. The point is they laugh at what you say, and I don't need no carrying on. You had a bad day, you take it one down, you sing a sad song just to turn it around.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because
Čau, Šaňo. Čau, počkaj, Emi, počkaj. Skáďal máš ten bicykel?
v škole som si požičal.
A to v škole požičiavajú?
No,
Zadarmo?
áno, zadarmo.
Dobre, tak a kde u koho si to mám pýtať potom?
Na recepcii.
Na recepcii? Dobre.
Vidíme sa
Díky,
v hoteli.
čau.
Rozhodli sme sa osloviť práve vás o nepotrebné staré bicykle, ktoré by mohli byť znova využité pre dobrú vec. Pre bicykel prídeme, vynovíme a bude predstavovať pomôcku pre budúcich špičkových hotelierov. Ďakujeme.